Hello viewers, running on Math Relay. Today we are going to start with a very new topic, quadratic inequality, solving inequalities under quadratic functions. And we are on 120th day. Wow, that's a long run for us, and we still have so many things coming up, so we need to keep running and running and running still. We are on 17th chapter, 17.1 question number, because it's the first question in quadratic inequality. And I'll also be solving question number 16.7 under quadratic function, which was posted yesterday in this video. So let's go for question number 17.1, the first question on quadratic inequality. Very simple one. Be careful how to solve quadratic inequality. I think you have learnt it. Apply the rules, sign diagram, everything, and then solve for this inequality. Greater than or equal to 0, x square minus 5x plus 6 greater than or equal to 0. Solution to 16.7 on quadratic functions. This is the question given. Quadratic graph has 3, 0 as one of its x-intercepts, and x is equal to 1.5 is the axis of symmetry. So the graph looks like this. Alpha and beta are the 2 points on the x-axis, which is x-intercept for the function. Then the axis of symmetry will be x is equal to the average of alpha and beta. So this is the concept that you need to know for this question. Alpha, 0 is 3, 0. You have to find beta using the information x is equal to 1.5 as the axis of symmetry. So alpha plus beta over 2 should be equal to 1.5, which gives you beta as 0. Therefore 0, 0 is another point on the curve. So 0 and 3 are the two x-intercepts. So equation can be written as x minus 0 times x minus 3. Y is equal to x times x minus 3. That is the final answer for this question. Very simple but slightly complicated to understand. I hope you got the point here. Until tomorrow, bye bye.